So actually, nakakuha ko ng email from Maribank kagabi. Tapos, apparently, I was invited to get the Mari credit card. But, ayan no. So, kita nyo, may options dito. Problema lang kasi, ayoko na magdagdag ng additional credit lines. So, well, I love Maribank and I welcome this invitation. Like, wow, flattered ako. But, ayoko na kasi magdagdag ng another credit line, no? But, it's probably a good thing to have para sa mga, baguhan sa credit line. Hindi yata ito credit card talaga. I think this is BNPL. Ayan.